Hey everybody, here we are in beautiful downtown Chicago, and like many big cities, we've got millions and millions of square feet of large buildings here, office, hotel complexes, places where mobile users are pulling out their mobile devices and using them every day. Now, it's really critical for everybody that's in the space of managing, owning, deploying buildings to look at the utility value of mobile connectivity in these buildings. We're going to take a quick look at two properties here in downtown Chicago where you can see the impact and what it takes to deploy mobile connectivity in those buildings. Hey, Todd Landry here from JMA Wireless. I'm here on the 50th floor in downtown Chicago, Madison Street building with Shane from Connectivity Wireless. Good morning. Thank you for having us here. This is a cool room.
Yes.
There's not a lot of square footage in here, and 50th floor, what is the meaning of this to the building owner to use it for this kind of technology?
The entire DAS is supported from this 15-foot by 30-foot head-end room. It is designed to support all of the tenants and the visitors in this 1.1 million square foot building in downtown Chicago.
So Shane, here we are. 47th floor in one of the IDFs along the riser of the building, and as you pointed out, look at the space of it. I mean, while this is one of the bigger rooms, what are we dealing with here for building owners when you come in and say, I want to run a lot of stuff?
This is all the riser, this is all the cabling in the riser that will go vertically throughout the building, and in this instance, we've installed all of our equipment above and out of the way from what you would typically see. So you don't have to worry about the impact to the riser. We're able to mount it high, and our techs are able to service this if in the event that anything does need to be taken care of.
Nice. Now, obviously the equipment in each of the floors where we put these amplifiers need to be powered. As we looked at in the head-end room, we're distributing digital electricity. Obviously a huge impact for building owners where in connectivity, where you do not have to bring separate power into each and every one of the rooms.
Furthermore, not only do we not need to bring in additional power, we don't have the additional labor, nor do we have the impact to the tenants during construction.
Here we are in downtown Chicago, Michigan Avenue, at the Michigan Plaza building, two buildings actually. A little loud in here, we're in the head end with a fair amount of equipment, but a small footprint here servicing two buildings.
Small footprint, two buildings, 2.2 million square feet.
Huge amount of square feet for all the tenants in this building.
It is a true neutral host capable system with multiple carriers operating right now. So when a tenant comes in or a visitor comes in, the phone naturally jumps onto the desk.
Beautiful. Same way we looked at over at Madison Street, where we have distribution from here up the riser, right?
Yep.
And utilizing remotes with digital electricity, fiber distribution throughout these two large buildings. What are your thoughts on how we're ready with this building owner to take them into the future?
The system right now is designed and engineered to be an envelope. So when somebody walks into the building, you jump onto the DAS. It supports today's technology. The carriers that are operational, they have state-of-the-art frequencies and state-of-the-art technology transmitting their frequencies. We're always looking at the future though, and with so much talk about 5G coming down the road, none of us know exactly what that means yet, but we will in the next couple of years. And the good thing is this DAS will be able to be modified to support that future technology.
That's beautiful, and as you know, our partnership with Connectivity has shown that JMA Wireless is always modifying and extending their technology into the next evolution of wireless, and we'll be here with you another time to load up 5G in this building.
We look forward to it. Thank you.
Thanks, Shane.